Hi guys. Welcome to a new tutorial video. Today, I show you how to make a crouch system in less than 5 minutes. To start, go to the project settings. Input settings. And add a new input called toggle crouch. And add the C input like me. Now, go to your third-person character. And tap hidden in-game on your capsule component. Then, in your character move, look for crouch and tap it. Change the value to 60. Compile, save, and go to event graph. Then, do like me. Add a comment. Compile, save, and try. That works. Great. Now, import the crouch animations into the description. And select your player's skeleton. Import all. Then, create a blend space 1D. And select your player's skeleton, called crouching. Open it. And drag both animations like me. Wow, beautiful animation. Now change the name of the horizontal axis to speed and change the value to 300. It's much better. Now, open your anim BP. And, in your event graph, do like me. Create a new variable called isCrouching. And drag your variable in the event graph. Compile, save, and go to the anim graph. And drag your crouching blend space like me. Add a blend poses by bool node in your idle run. And connect the other node in the same way as me. Compile, save, and try. Perfect. But the problem is the camera is a bit jerky. To correct the problem, go to your character and select your camera boom. Then, tap on Enable Camera Lag and change the value like you want. I recommend between 25 and 30. To finish, deactivate hidden in-game of your collider component. Compile, save, and try. And voila! You have your crouching system in under 5 minutes. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.